And we are on with the half moon live. It is currently 8:30 p.m. Pacific time here in California, United States. We've got a conjunction tonight between the half moon and Spica. And I'm going to try to see if we can get this conjunction of the moon and Spica, guys. Let's see how this works out. I'm excited. I'm not promising anything. I don't know if it'll come out, but let's see. I have it on 2x right now. I'm leaving the moon back there. We'll get back to it because I want to try to see if this will work. So the moon and the star Spica are in conjunction tonight. At 9:07 my time will be conjunction time, and I want to see if we can look at the star and the moon at the same time. I honestly don't know if that will be possible. I'll tell you guys why. Have you guys, first of all, has anybody tried seeing conjunctions before with your Seestar? And did you see anything? Was it possible? For those of you that aren't sure or don't know what I'm talking about, a conjunction is when you have two objects, such as the moon and a star, or a planet and another star, at its closest. From our point of view, from someone on Earth, from our point of view, they are very close together. So tonight, that is happening with Spica and the moon, which is a star. If you notice right here on the Sky Guide app, so this is like the moon right now, right? We have the 50% illuminated moon, the first quarter moon. And we've got Spica there behind the moon. So you see how it's marked? I don't know if you guys can see that. You should be able to, right there. But I don't think we'll be able to look at the conjunction in a few minutes as Spica, as that star starts moving more out of the way of the moon and like in our view. I'm going to try to point it there to see if we can see it, but I don't think it's going to work because the moonlight is too bright. It's going to wash it out. It's going to, yeah, but we're going to try. I don't have high hopes for it, but, and I'll be honest. So months ago, I tried to look at the conjunction on the Seestar with the moon and the Pleiades, but I got nothing. I got nothing because I'm assuming the moonlight washed it out. But also at that time, here it is, the moon live. We got the moon again back on there. Also at that time, I did not play around with the manual settings of brightness, with the brightness scale. So I don't know if that'll make a difference. No promises. No promises. We're just going to try it. We're just going to try it. Yeah, you see this? Okay, I got it good. I thought you guys couldn't see that. So moon and Spica are in conjunction tonight. And it's telling me at 9:07 p.m. my time will be the perfect time. But I'm sure a few minutes before that we'll be able to, it'll happen. It'll happen. I don't know if we'll be able to see it with the Seestar. Probably not. But we're going to try. Okay, it's coming in view. We'll wait. We'll wait. Oh my gosh. Guys. Guys, can you see it? No way. Okay, can you guys even see that? Because, guys, let me know if you see that. On my iPad, I can see it super clear, but on the screen, holy cow, I'm getting a shot. Yes, are you kidding me? I didn't even mess with the brightness settings. I'm screaming. I'm sorry. I need to calm down. Guys, for those of you just joining, we're trying to get the moon is in conjunction with the star Spica. Do you guys see this? Let me put my little cursor over this. Yes, wait, let me move this up. Can y'all see that, or is the chat in the way? Oh Gosh, I did not think this was possible. I'm just trying it out. This was a major okay. Another shot. Yes. Okay. Yes. This is the coolest. Oh, oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Raw. Turn on. Okay, come on, video. I'm okay, screen recording because that way it'll get my zoom ins and stuff. I'm flipping out, guys. This is so fun. This is the coolest thing ever. This is really working. Yes, if you love this, hit the like button. We've got the moon live in conjunction with the star Spica, and it is firing away. That star. This is so amazing. This is really, really cool, guys. This is really cool. Oh, I'm recording. More screenshots, more video, because this is really happening. More. There's no way. I'm in shock. I'm in shock. It said 9:07 for the best viewing time. It's 9:03 p.m. my time, Pacific. 9:04 now. Oh, this is officially flipping me out. Guys, I'm gonna zoom in. Okay. I mean, it's there. I cannot believe this. Like I said, oh my gosh. Like I said, I tried getting the Pleiades with the moon in conjunction, but months ago. Couldn't see anything. Like it was just the moon was just washing out, right? The moonlight was just washing out the Pleiades. But if when that conjunction happens again, which I'm sure it will at one point, I'll try again. Manual settings, brightness. Okay, too much. Oh, guys, you can see the blue color. Can you see? You can see this. Wait, can I get a picture? Is it getting a picture? I think the Seestar can't even believe it. The Seestar can't even believe it. Yes, this is awesome. This is absolutely blowing my mind. You know what, guys? Okay, this is crazy. I was literally like, should I even get on the live stream tonight? If you guys saw, I scheduled it, but 2 hours or something like that in advance, an hour in advance. I was like, no, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I shouldn't even try. I'm glad I tried. This is why I say just be positive, never give up, and just do it. So this is absolutely shocking. I cannot believe this. This is wild. It's gonna get out of view soon, guys. No way. Absolutely no way. Ooh. Look at that, guys. Wow. Wow, this is crazy. Okay. Okay, zooming in. Oh, it's leaving. That's okay. We got it, though. We got it. Shockingly enough. That was fun. That was fun, man. Yes. Beautiful. Maybe not. Oh, it's leaving.